Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a script that can fetch the all WooCommerce product. Okay, so as you can see here, that's my website here. Let me show you my website here. So as you can see here, that's my website here. Okay, that's the WooCommerce. So I don't have access of this website and I still want to see the all product. I still want to get the all product details, pricing and their description also. Okay, so this website have multiple products. Okay, and I want to fetch the all product details, images, link and pricing and everything. So how can I do that? So I'm gonna write a script here. So I already have that script. Let me just see that C script. So it's just a 50-60 line script, and we have imported here three libraries. Okay, request, bs4 and csv. Okay, csv to to just export the all details to one csv file. Okay, that's why I use the csv. So it's we have very few functions. So what we need to do, I'll give you that script, okay, in the description. Okay, and then what you need to do, you need to install the Python in your system. First of all, this is the most important thing. If you want to check if this Python is available or not, so like just Python 3. Most of the laptop have the default Python, so you don't need to worry. Like this, yeah, it's available. Okay, so what you need to do here, you need to install three libraries here, like these three libraries. So first of all, I'll give you the code. You need to use that code in any VS Code editor. You need to just open this, and then you need to go to the directory. Okay, suppose this code is in the cd development. Okay, here is my code. Let's see, have that scribe.py file, and I need to install these libraries. So how to do this? So it's simple, pip install and then requests, that's my library name. This is simple, and install it. Same thing we have to do for this BeautifulSoup or csv for both. Okay, so wait some seconds, this will install. Yeah, done. You have to do same for all this thing, all three libraries, and after this let's run this file. But before do, we need to replace the URL. So what you need to do here, you need to go to the down, and as you can see that I have put my URL here, .com store URL. See this one, and this store URL is something, let me just show you how this will work. So in this URL I'll get the all products of my website. Okay, as you can see, I have 31 products and I have all the products. See, like this. Now let's just change the URL, whichever website you want to copy or clone the products. Okay, now we need to save this file in products.csv file, and let's run this. So to run this script, Python 3, and my script name is scrap.py. Okay, and then enter. And we need to wait some seconds because we have 31 products, and that script automatically open the every product and fetch the details, and then again come back to the main website, then again go to the another product. So that will do. So we need to wait some seconds, and this will generate the csv file in the same folder where our scrap.py file is situated. Okay, that's the code we have done in the our script file. So we need to wait some seconds. See, products.csv file is generated. Now you can open this file, and you will see here, this is the name, this is the price, this is the description, right? So that's the amazing tool. And as you can see, their product information is scrapped and saved to that products.csv that we already have here. The print, we have to print this like this. So that's the script. Using that, you can scrap the all product details of any WooCommerce website. This is only for the WooCommerce website. If you want to clone the products from the Shopify or other platform, so you need to modify that script, and you just need to modify the class's name. That's it. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.